In this presentation, I'd just like to talk to you for a minute about later calving cows and the cost of carrying such animals through the winter. So about 1.4 million cows have calved in the last 2 springs between January and June, in the first half of the year. And of those 1.4 million or thereabouts, 400,000, or about a quarter of them, almost a quarter of them, have calved after the 1st of April, which is quite a surprising number. So that's a big issue at dairy farm levels. Our target would be that no more than 140,000 or so of the 1.4 million, or 10%, would calve in April and none at all in May or June. And there's a reason for this. And the reason is that later calving cows are quite costly to feed throughout the year. And this is because they spend proportionately more of their time indoors on meals and silage compared to cows calving outdoors. So, for example, if we look at the February calving cow, she'll use almost 4 tons of grass in her diet to produce 500 kilos of milk solid. She'll use about a ton of grass and about half a ton of meal. Dry matter, those are all in. A 500 kilo milk solid June calver will use just 2.5 tons of grazed grass. She'll use over 2 tons of silage and over 860 kilos of meal. And not surprisingly, it'll cost more for feed and forage for the June calver than it will for the February calver. It'll cost in the order of 140 euro, 145 euro more to feed her, which is exactly the same amount of milk. And to achieve the similar milk solid yield from the June calver as from the February calver, the second disadvantage of that is that cow has to be carried through the milk through the winter to achieve it as well.